Hello everyone and welcome to another AdMaths tutorial video. Today I'm going to discuss Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 5 Indices and Logarithms Part 1. Before I begin, if you are new to any of my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as I will be discussing more mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright guys, without further delay, let's jump to the question now. Okay, in this question, they ask us to solve the equation 243 for x equals to 9 to the power of 8x plus 6. By the way guys, in this video we are going to discuss two questions from indices and logarithms, which is the two question is indices question. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the solution now. I hope you guys are excited as I am. So let's jump to the solution now. Okay. To start off, I rewrite the whole equation over here. 243 to the power of 4x is equals to 9 to the power of 8x plus 6. Okay, this 243 we can further break down by 27 times with 9. Let us continue. So 27 times 9 you get back 243. So 27 times 9 in a bracket to the power of 4x equals to 9 to the power of 8x plus 6. Alright guys, if you notice something, 9 and 27, we can further simplify this form into 3 square, which is 9, we can further break down to 3 square, 27 we can further break down into 3 cube, which we can simplify to the lowest base, which is 3. Okay, let us continue. From here you get 3 cube times 3 square in a bracket to the times of 4x equals to 9 to the power of 8x plus 6. So this 9 we can further break down. So I will show you in the next step. So this power 3 to the power of 3 and 3 times 3 square we can further add on by 3 to the power of 3 plus 2 in a bracket 4x equals to 3 square in a bracket 8x plus 6. So 3 plus 2 we get 3 to the power of 5, and then that 5 we need to times the power with 4x, so which you get 20x. So 2 times 8x plus 6 you get 3 to the power of 16x plus 12. Okay, let us continue to the next step. So from here you get 3 to the power of 20x equals to 3 to the power of 16x plus 12. Since you have base, you have already simplified to the lowest term, and then the two base are similar, so you can cancel off this base and you can start to solve the variables. Let us continue. So from here, 20x equals to 16x plus 12. This 16x from the right hand side, you move it to the left hand side. So you get 20x minus 16x, which is equals to 4x equals to 12. From here, 4x equals to 12. So to find x is very simple. You just divide by 4. So x equals to 12 over 4. And you should be getting your answer is 3. So your x is equals to 3 guys. Alright guys, that is all for my step-by-step working and the solution for example 1. And now I'm going to proceed with the example 2. Okay, this is your example 2. And in this question, they asked to solve the equation 3 to the power of s plus 2 minus 3 to the power of s plus 1 is equals to 2 over 3. Alright, I'm going to show you the solution now. Okay, so to start off, I rewrite the whole question over here. 3 to the power of s plus 2 minus 3 to the power of s plus 1 is equals to 2 over 3. Let us continue to the next step. Okay, for this step, what I did here is I break down the 3s and 3s. From here, 3s plus 2, I break down into 3s in a bracket 3 square, and then minus 3s plus 1, I further break down into 3s in a bracket 3 to the power of 1 equals to 2 over 3. Okay, let us continue to the next step. Since the 3s and 3s are the common terms, so we can factor them out. 3s, factor them out, and you should get 3 to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 1, which is 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 in the bracket 3s is equals to 2 over 3. Let us continue to the next step. From here, 3 to the power of s in a bracket 6 is equals to 2 over 3. So to find 3s, so you just divide 2 over 3 you divide by 6, and from here you should get 2 over 18. 2 over 18 we can further simplify, and you will get 3s is equals to 1 over 9. Alright guys, we are very close to our final answer. So this 1 over 9 we can further break down into 1 over 3 square is equals to 3s. So this 1 over 3 square we can bring it up by changing the power of 2 to become negative 2. 3 to the power of s is equals to 3 to the power of negative 2. Since your base is already same, we just have to compare with the variable and the power, and therefore your s is equals to negative 2. So this is your final answer guys. So 3 to the power of s plus 2 minus 3 to the power of s plus 1 is equal to 23 is only satisfied when your s is equals to negative 2. Alright guys, that is all for my step-by-step working and solution for this question. Any question or feedback, feel free to put in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well. Thank you for your support guys, and I will see you in the next video.